Understanding Annual Pledge, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of the phrases annual pledge. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, this video will enhance your understanding of these common English terms. So, let's dive in. Annual pledge is a compound phrase consisting of two words, annual and pledge. Annual refers to something occurring once every year, while a pledge is a serious promise or commitment. So, an annual pledge is a commitment or promise that is renewed or made every year. This phrase is often used in contexts of charity donations, membership renewals, or personal resolutions. Let's see how annual pledge is used in real-life scenarios. 1. Charities and donations. Our organization relies on your annual pledges to continue our humanitarian work. 2. Membership renewals. Members are reminded to fulfill their annual pledge to maintain their status in the club. 3. Personal resolutions. This year, my annual pledge is to read more books and improve my skills. Understanding the term annual pledge is important because it's commonly used in formal and informal settings. Recognizing this phrase can help you better understand conversations about commitments, especially those that are time-bound to a year. And that's a wrap on annual pledge. We hope this video has clarified its meaning and usage for you. Remember, learning a new language is all about understanding the nuances of phrases like these. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.